So greetings once again from the Homestead here in Jersey. It is a humid day today. Temperature's not bad, probably in the early 70s, this about 8 o'clock in the morning. But the humidity is probably close to 100%. I think it's 90% this morning. So I grew up here. This is home to me. So being in the soupy stuff is kind of normal, but it's still not pleasant to work in. Sitting on the beach or reading a book is a very different thing than trying to get a chainsaw running and doing some milling. But we're going to give it a try today. After having used the Granberg, this is my second day with it. I've had a few days off to think about it, how I want it to run a little better. The sawdust was pretty impressive, and the sawdust was very fine. So I thought by having these fans helping to push everything out, I'm not going to need to wear a rebreather, which I find very difficult to wear, especially when it's this high humidity, muggy weather. So we're going to see how that goes. I did get the ripping chain from Granberg. It's their special proprietary chain. Let's see how much of a difference that makes as well. Today I'm going to be doing this kind of just to experiment with the Granberg chain, and then next, that'll be day 3, will be this big black walnut that should also have some pretty interesting wood in there. But we're going to do this one today. The cherry wood, a neighbor of mine, Dan, cut it down. So shout out, thanks to Dan. He's going to be probably cutting more, so I'm going to be doing some bigger wood to get some bigger planks. This one's about 5-6 feet long. Should be about 6 inches wide, maybe 8 inches. We'll see. But I'll get these planks, let them dry for 6 months or a year, and I should be able to use them for something. So I'll get started getting geared up. So I'm using the tri-fuel in the Husqvarna. That's the pre-mixed store-bought stuff. A little pricey, but since I'm only using it occasionally, I find this works the best. Never had a problem with it. Works well in the Husqvarna. If I was going to do this regularly, I'd probably, for whatever the cost of these things are, it's probably over $20 to $30 a gallon. I would just buy the oil, mix it myself, call it a day.
She was a big bone gal from southern Alberta. You just couldn't call her small. And you can bet every Saturday night she'd be headed to the Legion Hall. She put her blue dress on, she'd curl her hair. Oh, she'd been waiting all week. With her best in her step and a wiggle in her walk, she'd be swinging down the street. Well, you could tell she was ready by the look in her eye. She slipped in through the crowd. She walked with grace as she entered the place. The big bone girl was proud. Now people would come from miles around to gather there to dance. But when the big bone girl came shuffling in, she'd hold them in a trance. Well, you could tell she was ready by the look in her eye. She slipped in through the crowd. She walked with grace as she
That looks very nice. I don't think you can see the grain too well, but it turned out very nicely. Anyway, if you like these videos, please subscribe. Push the like button in the corner. And I'll see you on the next Jersey Homestead project.